Hey there, today we're going to talk about the full set earwax removal tool by MOEBULB. See here, it comes with the how to use little user manual. Here's your ear catch basin. This is your absorbent vent ball. And then here we have the water outlet button for exact precision. This is your high quality transparent hose. And then here's your ergonomic water bottle. Here's your little towel, and this is the 5-hole disposable tip, and this is what's going to soften the earwax. And these are your disposable single-hole tips to remove the earwax. Okay, I'm just going to show you how to use it. So you're going to put it on your ear like this, and then you're going to have someone put this in your ear, and you're going to go ahead and squeeze. Okay? To remove it, just turn it clockwise like so, and it'll come off easily. Thank you for watching.